everyone, today I am back on our YouTube channel with my son DJ, and today I thought it would be cool to do a DIY video of making a calming jar. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys all of the materials that we're going to need, and with your parents' permission you can also do this. Then that my brother actually made a couple years ago at his school, which is pretty cool, and you can shake it up. Pretty awesome. He used different materials, but this is where I kind of got the idea from. Okay. For ours, you're gonna need Elmer's clear glue. You're gonna need a clear bottle, similar like this. I got this from Walmart for $1. You can also use a water bottle. You're gonna need hot water, and your choice of any glitter. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna open the bottle. We're gonna open our clear gel, or glue, sorry. We're gonna pour it in. Ooh, yeah. Make sure you try to get all of it in there. This is really gonna help it as far as the motion of the glitter and water. Next, we're gonna pour in our hot water. I don't want to fill this all the way up. I want to leave a little space, so I'm gonna stop about right here. And that was about 2 cups of water. All right, then we're gonna pick 2 colors. I have a lot of colors here, so I'm actually gonna choose blue and purple. Can you say purple? Purple, blue. Good job. Okay, let's start off with blue. Next, you do want to make sure that you are gluing on the lid to your calming jar. Because I have a 2-year-old son, it's very important that I have to glue on this lid because he is able to open the jar, and I don't want him to be able to have access to what's inside. So you can also do this at home if you have a hot glue gun, or if you have any other type of glue that is able to seal it nice and shut. We're going to see the final product. Let's shake it up. This is the idea, our calming jar. It's kind of like a galaxy, which I think is kind of cool. I like that. Shake. All right, shake the bottle, DJ. What do you think of it? Ooh, you like it?